Hello moms to be, welcome to my channel. This is Shweta Sharma here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to understand pregnancy trimesters and their weeks. For example, I'm going to explain you if you had your period on 1st February 2020 and you tried after 5 days of your periods and you conceived. So your last month period date is 1st February 2020. So this is your last month period date and it is also called as LMP. You tested with a kit or you visited your doctor and your doctor said that you are positive and you are pregnant, and almost you were in your 7 weeks pregnancy. Okay, now how to count weeks and how to count your trimester is a question here. Pregnancy stages have 3 different trimesters: first trimester, second trimester and third trimester, and each trimesters have different symptoms and different body languages. Okay, so I'm going to explain only about trimesters and weeks here. I'm going to show you few images and they are going to help you to understand in better way. 1st February 2020 you had period, 2020 you missed your period. So 7 days makes a week here, right? So here I'm going to explain you in very simple way. We all know that 1 week has 7 days and 1 month has 30 days and it has 4 weeks and 2 days. Sometimes a month also has 31 days and it has 4 weeks and 3 days. So this depends upon our cycle length as well. So here I have taken for example 1st Feb 2020 was my period date or your period date. Okay, and I missed my period on 1st March 2020. As per pregnancy's rule, it's going to be calculated as 0 weeks pregnant. That week when you got periods and the next month when you never got your period, we will have to go back and just count it as in your first week you are 0 weeks pregnant, in your second week you are 1 week pregnant, in your third week you are 2 weeks pregnant, in your fourth week you are 3 weeks pregnant, and in your 5th week you are 4 weeks pregnant. Here is where your pregnancy gets confirmed and from where weeks get converted into months during pregnancy, and that is known as pregnancy trimesters. Week to month pregnancy chart is going to help you understand your pregnancy weeks and month. 1 to 4 weeks, first month of your pregnancy. 5 to 8 weeks, that is second month of your pregnancy. 9 to 13 weeks, that is third month of your pregnancy. And during your first trimester, in first trimester, you may or you may not experience any pregnancy symptoms such as morning sickness, vomiting, body changes and tiredness. If you are a first time mom, you could begin developing a baby bump anytime between week 12 to 16. So here I am going to explain about second trimester and their week. So I am going to explain about second trimester, that is week to month pregnancy chart. 14 to 17 weeks you are in 4th month pregnancy, 18 to 21 weeks you are in 5th month of pregnancy, and 22 to 26 weeks you are in 6th month of pregnancy. And second trimester symptoms are morning sickness, headache, giddiness, fatigue, etc. These symptoms will slowly disappear once you start moving towards your third trimester. So here I am going to explain about third trimester. Week to month pregnancy chart. 27 to 30 weeks you are in your 7th month of pregnancy, 31 to 35 weeks you are in 8th month of pregnancy, 36 to 40 weeks you are in 9th month of pregnancy. So 36 to 40 weeks is a time where you might give birth to your baby. So these weeks are very important. Now I'm going to talk about the symptoms. So in between week 29 until your due date, you'll have to take care of yourself like never before, because you're going to have lots of changes in your body and your developing baby needs extra care. Your doctor might ask to count how many kicks your baby has given you, how many rounds your baby has taken. So all these things you'll have to make a note. Whatever you eat, you are going to be whatever you plan to eat, you need to be very careful. And when you talk, make sure you talk very slowly, because during this time you may have a very breathing problem and you won't be able to talk as fast as how you are talking right now. So there you will have little bit of problem in talking as well. So relax and be seated and then talk. Drink lot of water, that is going to help you a lot, and keep yourself hydrated all the time. And during 7th month is the best time to plan your hospital bag, what to buy and what not to buy. Do all your checklist and make sure that you buy before your 7.5 months pregnancy, because many a times it happens that pregnancy bodies are different and each pregnancy is different as well. So you might give birth in the month of 7.5 or 8th or 9th. So it's very important that you take care and you have those all the things that you need during your due date. Due date you can hit anytime once you cross your 36 to 40 weeks. Always best time to do your shopping is 7th month of pregnancy, and there you need to be ready with your hospital bag checklist as well. So plan all these things and make sure that you take care of yourself like never before, because 7th, 8th, 9th month is one of the most important month and trimester where your baby is going to develop fully, and you need a healthy baby, so it's important to take care of yourself. I have shared the pregnancy trimester chart on my website and also on Facebook. I've shared the link below in the description box. You can cross check once. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you're new to my channel, then let me tell you, I make pregnancy, post-pregnancy and baby care related videos. Subscribe and hit on the bell button for notifications. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notified that I have uploaded a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.